Hi everyone, it's Lucy from Medifine Aesthetics, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Truth Treatment Systems. So we've been carrying this range for over 2 years now, and we originally came across the brand when we saw Ben Fuchs, who's the founder, talking on YouTube, and it was really sort of his vast knowledge and his unique approach to tackling skin that really sort of caught our attention. Ben Fuchs, he's a pharmacist, he's a skin chemist, as well as being a nutritionist. So as I mentioned, his knowledge for the skin is huge, and we were really excited when we discovered the Truth Treatment brands and brought that across to the UK. So just to give you a general overview of the Truth Treatment products, they are 100% active ingredients within the products, and they also have the delivery system to deliver to the dermal layers of the skin. So this is really important if we're wanting to look at achieving results and making changes within the skin. The ingredients are also functional. So that means that they are going to be working with the chemistry of the skin. So if you like, there's nothing within the products that your skin doesn't need, but everything that it does. So I'm going to go through with you today general sort of overview of some of the products that I use, and just go through the products and what I'd use them for. So I start with the Truth Treatment's Peppermint Salicylic Cleanser. This has a really nice combination of sort of peppermint and salicylic. So it's giving you a real sort of deep clean to the skin, but also providing a really sort of light, gentle exfoliation. I tend to use this one in the morning because it has a really sort of refreshing, cooling feeling on the skin. So it gives you that sort of nice like wake-up call really and stimulation. I tend to then use the AHA Mineral Exfoliator. I use this one 2 to 3 times a week, just once a day. And this is going to be working on, as I say, exfoliating the skin. It has a combination of different sort of AHAs. So within that, it's got the glycolic, it's got the malic and the citric acid. And this is going to be working on cellular turnover, stimulating that collagen and elastin and natural moisturizing factors within the skin. But it also has honey and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide as well. So this is going to be helping to also hydrate while exfoliating. And this is going to be working on giving you that sort of real nice skin glow and that even tone to the skin. Next, I tend to use the his vitamin C products. So I've got both the C serum and the C balm. I tend to use the C serum in the morning and the C balm at night. The reason I really like the Truth Treatment's vitamin C products is because Ben uses a different type of vitamin C. So it's one called tetrahexyl ascorbate as opposed to L-ascorbic acid. Now for me, I find that the tetrahexyl ascorbate, you can put more potency of that within a product without that irritation. So usually with L-ascorbic acid products, you're looking around about sort of 10 to 15%. And then after that, you're going to be, you can get a little bit of irritation on the skin. But Ben will use around sort of 70 to 80% of vitamin C within his products. So it's a really high dose of vitamin C. I also find that with this being sort of, with this type of vitamin C, it's actually lipophilic. So that means that it doesn't have that same oxidization process as ascorbic acid does. So, I tend to find that after you've opened your ascorbic acid, it tends to go that sort of little orangey brown texture, which you do not find with this particular vitamin C. So vitamin C, as we know, that's going to be working on stimulating collagen and elastin, and it's also going to be your antioxidant protection as well. So really sort of working on free radical damage. I will then tend to use the Retinol 1% gel. So this is sort of a real sort of high potency of retinol, and he also combines his lipophilic vitamin C with that as well. I tend to use this 1 to 2 times a week, because it is quite potent. So I just use sort of a small amount. Now it comes in sort of a gel sort of like texture, so it does provide a little bit of that hydration along with it, which is nice when you're using sort of retinol products because they can tend to be quite drying on the skin. Vitamin A, which is sort of really sort of popular within a lot of skincare brands. As you know, it works on sort of a host of skin concerns. So this is going to be working on, again, stimulating that collagen and elastin. It's going to be working on hyperpigmentation and evening that skin tone, as well as sort of working for acne patients as well. I also use the Omega6 Healing Cream as well, which is, this combines a really sort of high dose of Omega6 as well as, again, the lipophilic vitamin C. It's a really sort of nice, rich hydrator. Nearly out of that, so I'm going to have to replenish that. But it's really nice in the winter to give you that little bit of sort of extra moisture to the skin. It's really good for sort of sensitive, irritated skin. So if I carry out a treatment or post-procedure, so I will always tend to use this in the morning, and it will give me that sort of really soft, supple feeling to the skin. And any irritation that I feel, it will just calm that down. So it's a really nice product. I've always got that in my skincare. Then I also always carry the Biomimetic mineral mist as well. This I tend to use, as I say, when I'm using the product, so I will mist on the face before applying the products. I also use this sort of during the day or when I come out the shower as well, just to give me that bit more extra hydration and moisture if needs to. So this contains the polyelectrolytes, and that is going to be sort of stimulating and working on that cellular energy within the skin. So it's a really good sort of product to have within your skincare. So that's the sort of products that I carry. There are obviously a lot more products within the range, and we're really sort of happy to help. So if you want a bit more information, or you would like to book in for a sort of a consultation, whether that be at the moment sort of online and Zoom, we are doing that, and we can sort of help in any way that we can with this range. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you have any questions, just get in touch. Thank you.